Guys, hello. I know it's been like years or something, but I was actually collecting something that some of you don't even know. That's called card zip, and I have a fat stack of them. Just don't say why I have this one. Just forgive my reference, and I'm not giving out. Obviously, I don't know how to give out, but if you want to like I don't know how to give out these, but if I can, I will do, but I don't know yet. So if you just want one, wait a few years. That's it, because I don't know how to send, like, for now. But just look at this. This looks like, here's my favorite one. It's like Mighty Button. Like, look, look, look at that GWS. I know the camera quality is kind of bad, but I think all of you can appreciate me for making a short. It's been like years or something, but I think it's only bands, right? So this is the first video I probably posted from 2025. 2025 yata? Or I don't know, but did you guys see? I promise I'm not Filipino, but see you. I'm going to be daily now, so bye.